A loudspeaker S is connected to a signal generator. Longitudinal sound waves having a frequency of, which we denote as N, are produced by the speaker S. Waves are made interference to incident on a reflecting board and they get reflected. Incident and reflected waves are produced. Stationary waves are formed between the speaker and the reflecting board. Reflecting board is here. The microphone M converts the stationary waves into the electrical signals which are fed to the CRO. Thank you for watching this video.